Hey Lisa, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, you have a really nice header here. Got your click to call, which is awesome for those quick conversions. Got a nice logo as well as the background as a video is awesome. And then you have, of course, going through what you do, the different which I haven't seen inspections as much, but that's awesome to be certified for that. And then, of course, why should they choose you over competition? And then hitting the footer. So it is a small little website. It is really nice. What I am going to say is there's not much content in it. So I'm going to say tops, you're looking at 100 words, the entire website. What Google is truly looking for is 1,500 to 2,000 words with a bunch of keywords mixed in there. Now, what a keyword is a buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google for your area to find your service. So let's take a look behind the curtains and see what's going on with your website. First thing, we put in your URL, metzflooring.com, out pops the overview. So two things we're looking at are the UR rating, which is the strength of your website, and the DR rating, which is the trust Google places in your website. Now, as you can see, you don't have any strength rating of your website, and your trust is only a 0.2. So not that hot. The reason being is because of backlinks. You only have 6. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, going to Wikipedia, getting a bunch of links from there would be awful because Wikipedia is super spammy. However, having a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that is relevant to your service. Now, another important thing are those organic keywords, as I was saying, those buyer intent words. As you can see, you only have 2 of them. So let's see what buyer intent words Google is ranking you for. First one, Metz Floors, which is you. And then you do have a decent one, which is Carpet and Flooring Charlotte, North Carolina. It's still not the highest volume, only about 20 people a month are searching for that. However, you're on the 42nd spot, which is about the 5th page. Now, we say that the 2nd page is where websites go to die, so unfortunately, since you're on the 5th page, you're about 5 feet deep already for that keyword. But let's check out what one of the best keywords for flooring is. So it's hardwood flooring Charlotte, North Carolina. That is one of the top keywords for flooring. It has 400 people searching in a month. First thing that pops up when you search for it are the ads, the Google ads. So these are people paying to be front and center. However, if someone clicks on their phone number, calls them, and they answer, they get charged for that. So good and bad. Second thing is the GMB, the Google Map Pack. Now, it's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and choose one of these people just because that's the easiest thing to do. Then you have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website and keywords. So top one, Carolina Wood Flooring. So let's take a look at their website. So they have a nice header as well. They have their logo. They don't have a click to call for those quick conversions, which is quite unfortunate considering that at the top. You want to get them on the phone as quickly as possible when they come to your site. And then they have their search bar, which is awesome to search for all the different services. Going down, there's really not much else to the website. I'm going to be honest. Their homepage is very bland. They don't have that content either that they would need. But let's check behind the scenes to see why they're doing so well. So as you can see, we put them in. Their UR rating, their strength rating is a whopping 26, which is pretty good. Their DR rating, which is the trust Google places, is only a 0.7. But as you can see, what they're doing extremely well are their backlinks. They have over 1,500 different backlinks leading back to their site, which is why Google is saying, hey, they're doing a good job with it. We're going to rank them. They also have they have a little over 3,000 keywords. So Google is ranking them for 3,000 different buyer intent words. Now let's check what their keywords are. So first and foremost, Hardwood Flooring Charlotte, North Carolina, or NC. Volume, as I said, 400. They're in the first real position, as you saw. They're getting 70 traffic just from that one word. So these are a little cheat. Carolina Wood Flooring, Carolina Wood Floors, that's their name. Hardwood Floors Charlotte, 350 volume. They're on the first real spot, so they're getting 53 traffic from that. So as you can see, they're getting traffic from great buyer intent keywords. So if we're looking to beat them out, first things first, you got to up those backlinks. You got to go show Google that your website is strong and trustworthy. Good thing is you have a good roadmap. You know, for Carolina Wood Flooring, they had 1,500. Their 1,500 is doing pretty well for them. You can always use theirs. They're good ones. Take them, use them, and of course that'll help you grow, as well as starting your own blog or your own information network is always a good thing, because that's always going to be something that leads back to your website. Another thing, that content. You got to get that content up. 1,500 to 2,000 words so that you can organically place keywords throughout your site so that Google can start ranking you for those buyer intent keywords. Because even if you build your site well, but you're not ranking for anything, it's going to be kind of useless. So you got to have that content in order to start ranking for buyer intent words. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. I'm always looking to improve. You have a blessed rest of your day.